What's going down, man? So I know y'all seen the short video by now. So we're out here, '04 Hemi Ram. It's DIY Dad. There it is. So let me turn this camera around real quick. So he just bought this from my brother-in-law, man. My nephew got into a little bit of trouble, lost his license. Well, that's as far as we're really gonna go into it. So with that, yeah, that compressor's kicking off and on too much. So we're going over everything, right? Check the oil, it was a little bit low. We're checking the power steering fluid, it was a little bit low. I'm looking at the compressor, it's cycling too much for it to be full of Freon, or it might be too full of Freon as a matter of fact. So we're checking all that. And you know, I'm gonna take it out for a drive. I think it being a little low on power steering fluid. He said he's having a slight issue when he turns all the way and puts that pump in a bind. So we're gonna check this Freon real quick, see what we gotta do with that. And then I'm gonna take it for a ride. I'm gonna click y'all back on and we'll go from there. All right, guys, so it's about an hour later, man. I went out and test drove the truck, man. We found a few small situations, but for the deal my dad got, perfect, man. So we went through, I found, let me turn this camera around. So we had dirty terminals, we cleaned them up, we got the multimeter on there, the battery's good, it's holding 12.62, right? I just heard it start, it kind of dragged, it drug when it started. Now with the AC, an important part, this fan, this condensing fan was not coming on. And on the 03 through 05 Hemi Ram, this is your AC condensing fan, right? So if it doesn't come on, then you have an issue. Now, I had this, we're gonna have to swap it out. It's probably just old, and that's that. So, I wanna wrap this video up. It's getting kind of long. DIY Dad, '04 Hemi Ram, the same one we did the fuel tank on, the fuel tank swap on. So, with all that ado, y'all keep living the dream, doing your thing, like and subscribe. Always hit your boy up with a comment. And I gotta give you this shot of the 3 Rams. Look at that, '04, '03, '09.